Again, very good morning to everyone. This is the third part of this training program, and today we will discuss about important medicinal plants. The first is the Piper longum or pipili. Piper longum medicinal values against bronchitis, asthma, cold and cough, fever, as an antidote, habit climber, habitat hot, moist and shady areas. Propagation plant materials such as suckers, stem cuttings or rooted vine cuttings in the month of March, April and later when transplanted in June at the onset of monsoon. Rauwolfia serpentina or Sarpagandha. Medicinal values antidote, treat insomnia, hypertension, epilepsy, habit shrub, habitat shady places in moist forest. Propagation by vegetative propagation using stem, root cutting, root stumps and leaf cutting. Asparagus racemosus or Satabari. Medicinal values against female reproductive issues, stomach tonic, antiseptic, blood purifier, kidney problems. Propagation usually by seeds but can also be propagated by root division. Tinospora cordifolia or Amrita. Tinospora cordifolia medicinal values against fever, asthma, jaundice, skin disease, urinary problems, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Propagation can be propagated by seeds, but the best way is by stem cutting of small finger thickness of 6 to 8 inch length with at least 2 nodes. Bacapa monnieri, Brahmi. Bacapa monnieri medicinal values against neurological disorder, anxiety, cardiac problems as memory booster, boost respiratory health, antioxidant. Propagation freshly collected shoot cuttings of 5 to 10 centimeter length with internodes and rootlets are best for cultivation. Seeds are very minute and produced during October-November. Endographis paniculata or Chereta. Endographis paniculata medicinal values against fever, sore throat, respiratory disease, skin infection, urinary tract infection, etc. Propagation by seed by soaking the seeds overnight and sowing the seeds approximately 2 inch deep and 6 to 8 inch apart. Centella asiatica, Thalkuri. Medicinal values brain tonic used against kidney stones, skin disease, asthma, anti-inflammatory, jaundice, etc. Propagation by stem or runner cutting. Sorry, by stem or runner cutting. Moringa oleifera or drumstick. Medicinal values control blood pressure against fever, tuberculosis. Propagation by seed or cuttings. Cuttings of 1 meter length and diameter of at least 4 centimeter can be also used for propagation. At least 1/3 of the cutting must be buried in the soil. Ocimum sanchum or tulsi. Medicinal values against common cold, headache, heart disease, inflammation, etc. Propagation by seed. Growers need to take fresh seeds. Withinia somnifera or ashwagandha. Medicinal values against inflammation, swellings, tumors, rheumatism used to treat some weakness, etc. Propagation by seed. Lia microphylla or hathi kan. Medicinal values against fever, cough, bone fracture, rheumatisms. Propagation by seed, cuttings, and air layering. Lumbago jalanica, Swet chitrika. Lumbago jalanica medicinal values against rheumatoid arthritis, female reproductive disorders, etc. Propagation by stem cuttings. Shoots are collected from the existing crop at the end of the first year and used for new planting. 2 to 3 nodded stem cutting are ideal. Tender and over mature stems are discarded. Dipping in IBA 0.05% promotes rooting. Portulaca oleosa or common porcelain. Medicinal values against cough, burns, headache, and disease related to intestine. Propagation typically propagated through seed but can also be propagated through stem cutting. Celastrus paniculatus और ज्योतिषमती. Medicinal values against cough, fever, joint and muscular pain. Propagation by seed. Germination is advanced by chemical scarification of the hard seed coat. Can also be propagated by cuttings, layering or air layering. Chlorophytum brevilianum और सफेद मूसली. Medicinal values used as a tonic. Propagation, vegetative propagation by fleshy root bearing shoots. Glorissa supraba, Agni Sikha. Medicinal values at low dosage it is used against ulcer. Propagation from seed. Tuberous rhizome. Rhizome can be divided no more frequently than every 3 years. Tubers should remain dormant through the winter with new growth emerging slowly in the late spring or early summer. Then rapid growth once the weather warms. Seed germination is erratic and even after stratification may take up to a year to germinate. Rubia cordifolia. Medicinal values as a tonic for heart health. Propagation by seed. Stored seeds can be very slow to germinate. It is best to put up the similar divisions and grow them on a lightly shaded position. Biophytum sensitivum, Lajalu. Medicinal values against cough, inflammation. Propagation by seed. Optimum temperature for germination is 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Cissus quadrangularis और हाड़ जोड़ा. Medicinal values, powerful medicinal properties supporting bone health, reducing joint pain, prevent metabolic syndrome, osteoporosis, decrease cholesterol level. Then propagation from a single small segment allow the cutting several days to about 2 weeks to heal and callus before planting in a sterilized potting medium. Hemidesmus indicus और अनंत मूल. Medicinal values fever, asthma, anti-cancer, antioxidant against diarrhea. Propagation best from stem and root stock cuttings obtained from more than 1 year old plant. Pterocarpus marsupium और बीजा. Medicinal values against diabetes, inflammation, bleeding, toothache, skin disease, antioxidant. Propagation freshly collected seeds are used for rising the plantation. Mature fruits are plucked from trees in April to May before they fall on ground. Mesosphaeria or Nagesore. Medicinal values against bleeding disorders. Propagation using a seed, stem cutting and root cutting. Helictrus isora, Murmurica. Medicinal values against fever, diarrhea, dysentery, abdominal pain. Uh, Propagation by seed, but vegetative propagation with stem cutting is also possible. Sida acuta, Bariara. Medicinal values against fever, wound, stomach, analgesic, antioxidant. These are the properties. Propagation by seeds which are produced in profusion. Aegis marvelous, locally known as bale. And medicinal values antidiarrheal, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-cancer, chemopreventive, ulcer healing, anti-fertility, anti-inflammatory, etc. Propagation by seeds which are produced in profusion. Seedlings show great variations in form, size, texture of grain, quantity and quality of pulp and number of seeds. Root suckers, budding onto seedling stalks also we can do. Azotica indica or neem. Medicinal values leprosy, eye problems, intestinal worms, stomach upset, loss of appetite, etc. Propagation seed best sown as soon as it is ripe. Air layering, root cutting also we can do. Butium monosperma, Palas. Medicinal values against fever, ulcer, inflammations. Propagation largely propagated by seeds. Cassia fistula and or amalthas. Medicinal values is a cooling agent, tonic, laxatives, propagation by seed and through cuttings and layerings. Now, design of available vertical gardening. You can observe in house also. You can okay make a small gardens using such techniques or design. Medicinal plants that can be grown in vertical garden like Centella asiatica, Bacapa moneri, Ossimum sanchum, Sisam plus periara, Tinospora cordifolia, Portuloca oleosa, Oxalis corniculata, Muraya coingi, Vanda tessellata, Abrus procutarius. Design of available terrace garden. You can observe the terrace garden. So in terrace garden, we can grow Clitoria turnacea, Passiflora foetida, Desmodium giganticum, Desmodium heterocarpum, Drosera burmani, Drosera indica, Tranthema portulistrum, Eryngium foetidum, Pideria foetida, Eclipta prostrata. We can grow these plants and we can consume. Now, how to grow the carnivorous plant? We need to take moss and coconut husk or plus peat moss plus sand or perlite. We can use the rainwater, distilled water, reverse osmosis water, deionized water. We can take plastic or glazed ceramic pot, bright but in direct sunlight or high humidity. But we should not use regular or gardening soil and fertilizer. So thank you very much for this session.